Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In the last tutorial, we did this. So in this one, we're going to make effect number 2. But it's going to be cooler effect. So okay, I'm going to make the cat change color every time it eats an apple. Okay, so let's just get onto it. Alright now. Okay, so go to the cat sprite and then grab and if then like here on here if touch and then if touching apple the apple then looks then change color effect by 25 so it will change color looks so it's like this I can change color but it's not done yet we did not finish it yet now it's gonna be fun let's make it more challenging and if it touches an apple I'm gonna do change I'm gonna add a score we're gonna add a score change score so it's gonna change the score every time it eats an apple change score and so we're going to drag it around here let's try it now that's pretty cool now alright so you can see here that there's a score let us test now let's see the score changes so it's actually pretty cool now for the really fun part we're going to make it become bigger every time it eats an apple so go to looks and then change size by 1 or else 3 I'll just do 3 let's see if it actually works actually works so now for the apple effect and then I'm gonna make it become random fruit it'll become random the fruit will become random like apple watermelon or banana go to choose a costume it's gonna take a while to load you can choose a costume but I rather prefer painting one like I'll just choose a costume okay so just grab a banana choose a costume again we're gonna do a watermelon right here alright then go to operators and grab a pick random block 1 to 3 type in 3 here and then go to looks and then switch costume switch costume and pick random on there like that oops like that alright like this so okay banana seed it is in the banana yeah so just try to do that because like this oh my god it becomes so challenging so I guess it's really fun now and I guess this is the end of the tutorial so thanks for watching